Thanks for watching part 2. I'm gonna show you how to get Classic Phantom. Yeah, it's Classic Phantom. Open up your games, go to Halo Trial, saved, playlists, default, and you want to go to folder 3. Copy it, and scroll down to 32, but don't do anything yet. Open up your Halo, and make sure it looks like this. Like that. Click OK. Oh no. No, wait, no, that's okay. Maybe don't click anything like I did. Don't do that. I don't know if it's gonna go through or not. But if it does, it should come out like somewhere. Okay. It's loading very slow. And this is how it should come out. You should be in a shade. You should be a shade looking guy. This ability lasts forever. This is a game of Slayer. And have fun. Some people join pretty fast. It tells you your target too. Shows you your target. For the person you have to try to kill. That's the main objective of this. You have to kill the person you're targeted to kill. Well, thanks for watching. Damn it, won't turn off.